Tariffs were just announced between USA and China, and the crypto markets are absolutely getting demolished. But watch this entire video because this is actually good that Bitcoin is crashing and that we're having a trade war between the US and China. Yes, it's good for crypto. Yes, it's good for Bitcoin. I'm Wendy O. I talk everything crypto every single day. To get more, make sure you subscribe, set alerts, like this video, and drop me a comment with what you are most excited about after you watch the video, of course. April 8th, Tuesday, Tariff Tuesday. It was just announced that there will be tariffs between US and China. The White House says that 104% tariffs will be imposed on China, and China says they are not backing down. Bitcoin is now trading at like $76,000. Earlier this week, from the previous news, when the stock market dumped like $6 trillion, the crypto market dumped 30%. And you best believe I am buying. But I'm only looking at adding a few solid cryptos to my portfolio. Projects that are made in the USA, projects that will get spot ETFs, per my opinion, and projects that are focused on AI, DeFi, and RWAs, because BlackRock is heavily focused on RWAs. But I'm also incredibly focused on Bitcoin because when Bitcoin does well, crypto does well. And I understand there's going to be a lot of short-term pain with crypto and the stock market, but again, I like chasing red candles. I like getting those dips. And crypto is the only industry that actually allows for retail to operate on a level playing field, same as TradFi. And we all know that the hedge funds, the banks, traditional finance are an absolute hot mess right now, and they're very much over leveraged. And some of you may be asking, Wendy, why are you so confident that we are going to get crypto ETFs? Well, Anchorage has just been added as a custodian for BlackRock's crypto ETFs and other funds with exposure to digital assets. So they're going to go ahead and custody some Bitcoin and Ethereum for BlackRock's IBIT and ETH ETFs. And if you guys don't know what Anchorage is, they're a federally chartered trust bank specializing in crypto. They also custody for 21 shares and support different tokens on Aptos. And the reason why this is so important is I highly am confident that BlackRock is going to start applying for a lot of these crypto ETFs. Just today, XRP got their first futures ETF on leverage. But we do note that the SEC has a previous history of approving crypto ETFs once they have a futures ETF, while approving the spot ETF. And XRP is well on its way. Plus, the lawsuit will be ending soon. And that has been anticipated to add about $8 billion to each crypto asset market cap that gets a spot ETF. Link, Hedera, XRP, you name it. But back to the trade war, because this is important. And again, I think that the short-term pain will be worth the long-term gain. And as I've said before, I think Q1 and Q2 of 2025 will be immensely volatile, and thus far it's come true. But because of the trade war between the US and China, it could cause a devaluation of the Chinese yuan. And that could flood capital into Bitcoin. Heck, BlackRock even made a report on how Bitcoin is a great